If you're looking for a home in Barrie that is quiet, in a family-friendly neighborhood, but is still close to everything, you're going to want to see this one. Today, I'm talking about 55 Davidson right here in Barrie's East End. Hi, I'm Paul Partridge, and I'm with RE/MAX Crosstown Realty and the West Oranto Real Estate Team, and I help buyers, sellers, and downsizers make smart real estate decisions across Barrie and Simcoe County. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe and reach out anytime if you have questions about this home or the Barrie market. Just text me. I'm ready in the comments below. Let's start with the location because that is one of the biggest highlights here. 55 Davidson is tucked into a mature, established neighborhood, quiet streets, great neighbors, and a real sense of community. You're close to schools right across the road, parks, shopping, and commuter routes, which makes this a fantastic option whether you're a growing family or a first-time buyer, or someone looking to downsize without giving up space. It's also within 5 minutes drive to Georgian College and the Royal Victoria Hospital. This home is selling for well under $600,000. That's the same price as a 2-bedroom condo here in Barrie these days. When you walk inside right away, as you can see behind me, you'll notice how bright and welcoming this home feels. The layout is practical, it's comfortable, with well-defined living spaces that still flow nicely together. The main living area is perfect for everyday life, whether you're relaxing after work or hosting family or having some friends over. The kitchen offers plenty of storage and workspace, making it functional without feeling extremely cramped. And it connects easily to the dining area, which is ideal for both daily meals and entertaining. On the main level, you'll find well-sized bedrooms that give you flexibility, room for kids, guests, or even a dedicated home office. The bathroom layout works well for busy mornings, and overall the home has a solid, well-maintained feel that buyers really look for these days. One of the things I really like about this home is the additional living space in the basement. Whether you're envisioning a family room or a rec room, maybe a workout space or a cozy movie night setup, this basement gives you options. That extra flexibility adds a lot of long-term value, especially if your needs change over time. If you step outside, you've got a private outdoor space that's easy to enjoy and easy to maintain. You know, think about it, perfect for backyard summer barbecues. Not today. Kids playing or just relaxing at the end of your day. It's a great space. It's the kind of yard that fits real life without becoming a full-time project. So who is 55 Davidson Road perfect for? Well, it's a great fit for first-time buyers looking to get into the Barrie market, or downsizers who want comfort, space, and convenience without the upkeep of a larger home. If you'd like more information about 55 Davidson Road or are just interested in more information on moving to Barrie, I've left a link below for you to book a phone call with me. It's a quick 15-minute, no obligation phone call to save you time, to save you money, and to reduce the amount of effort required. My name is Paul Partridge, and I'm with RE/MAX Crosstown Realty, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next video.